What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Forest Dweller, and tonight is the night we are prepping the range to have dirt put in it tomorrow morning. So what does that mean? Night 8, we're going to be adding a wall behind the middle. We are doing this, in case you missed it, all for under $200 with scrap wood. The only thing we paid for is concrete and screws at this point, and we're making it work. So we're going to be getting to it in just a moment. And before we do that, I always try when I can and remember to do a gear check. So tonight we have got a Walther Q4 SF with a Trijicon SRO and a TLR 7X. These are some great setup, steel frame, quite big, quite heavy. Man, it's a pleasure to shoot. So that's what we're carrying tonight. The rifle is right over here in case we get any coyotes or anything else like that. We can make it a quiet exit for them. I am smoking one of the Tobacco Tactical Month cigars. If I had to guess, this is probably a San Andreas wrapper, Mexican style cigar. It's got some great cinnamon notes, really interesting, a little bit of spice, a little bit of chocolate and leather. Can be some stereotypical, but that cinnamon is really tasty in this. Very happy about this one. So we've got some smoke wagon on deck, a little bit of Old Chub, and some decaf coffee, because that's how I roll. I don't like staying up super late when I don't mean to. We are gonna build the rest of this range. I will see you in just a second. All right, well, it's coming along. It doesn't look like much out from the outside. And it doesn't look like all that much from the inside. Come along with me and you'll see. This is what it's looking like on the inside. It is meant to keep dirt in, not necessarily look pretty, because after tonight, you're not gonna see this anymore. This needs to be about this high to let our Kubota go ahead and do some work and put the dirt in. This is closed off. I need to add one more panel here so the dirt doesn't just go straight out that little chute right there. As you can see, my cigar is burning down. Well, on top of this, you know, getting the late night work texts. We're having a ball there. We have gotten some progress. We're gonna put on the sides right here. We're gonna get these parts right here prepped for the boards that are gonna go there, as well as the boards that are gonna go on the front here. We're gonna cut those. I have 2, I need 5. Hopefully I have enough wood to do that, which we shall see. But in the meantime, I'm gonna finish the cigar. I'm gonna go cut some wood. We're gonna continue right along. Let's get after it. Alrighty, y'all. Well, been smoking my Savinelli one with some, honestly, I don't remember what it is. It's an old Balkan blend, 10 plus years old, maybe 15 years old. Absolutely delicious. And guess what? We are pretty much wrapped up. The middle is on. The boards down here are prepped for up there. I probably have 1 or 2 extra just in case. And I've got the middle pieces ready as well. I've got this wrapped up, which I need to paint that black or something because that looks horrible. That's ready. I've got the end pieces over here ready as well. Those are prepped. Now I need to take everything that's down here and clear it so that the tractor can come in tomorrow and dump all the dirt. Dirt is literally 10 yards right over there. We are ready for dirt. This has been quite the project. It's been at least probably 8 nights and probably 3 mornings, some of which I haven't recorded, between 1 and 3 hours each time. So it's been quite a bit of time for under $200. This is insane, and I'm very excited. Tomorrow, dirt goes in. I'm gonna try and film some of it. I'm gonna try and be sensitive to those helping me. We're gonna get some content. We're gonna get some video out of it. And it's gonna be a lot of dumping and shoveling, because realistically, the only spot that we can put the dirt right now is right here. We might be able to get over the sides, but if we can, it's gonna be a tight fit with the tractor because it's decent size, but it's not huge. We're gonna try and get it all in there and hopefully we have enough dirt. I think we do, but we'll see, you know? At worst, we have to source a little bit more and we have to shoot low for a little bit, but I think it's gonna be great. I'm gonna drink my decaf finally. I'm gonna clear all this stuff out and I will see you tomorrow morning. Forest Dweller out. A little PS really quickly. Here is the pile of dirt that will be going in the range over there. This has been quite the experience. Lots of redoing things, lots of realizing that what I thought was a good idea was dumb and I needed to shift. I'm really excited about putting this all together tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. The reality is, more than likely, we're gonna have a few more shifts. We're gonna have a few more moments where we're like, oh, we could have done that better, but you know what? It's gonna be a blast. So thanks for coming along the journey with me. We'll see ya in the morning. Forest Dweller officially out.